There's a major issue in our industry where hosts believe that they don't need a direct booking website. Instead, they're just going to rely on Airbnb, Booking.com, and their Verbo listings to generate bookings and revenue for their business. The problem with this is that when you are just reliant on those platforms, you are never going to give yourself an opportunity to increase your profit and increase your direct bookings. My name is Mark Simpson of Boostly. I give hosts all over the world the tools, the tactics, the training, but most importantly, the confidence to increase your direct bookings. In this video, I'm going to give you my top 3 tips on how you can get started with a direct booking website and start to build that confidence for your future potential guest to book with you. Tip number 1, invest in a professional photo shoot for your business. This investment will help you stand out from the rest of the other hosts and your competition in the area who are taking pictures on their smartphone. Tip number 2 is a strong About Us section. This is where you get to showcase your personality, you get to introduce your team, and this is a major factor in establishing the trust with your future potential guests. Tip number 3, guest reviews. The simplest thing to do here is go and grab your most recent reviews and put them on your website. Social proof is one of the key factors in the guest booking process. So you need to have your reviews on your website to instill the confidence in your future potential guests. If this sounds good, but you don't know where to begin, we at Boostly offer a full done-for-you website solution where all you simply have to do is give us your pictures, give us your About Us, and we will do the rest for you so you can focus on looking after your guests. To get started with, find the link that's in the description, book a call in today, and we will help you get started on your direct booking journey.